frog umpers are actually doing really, really well. So hopefully, with all this conservation work, their populations can increase out in the wild. Now let's talk about this lovely little brown bird that we've got on the walkway. So we've got two of those living here in our safari. They are called hammercocks because their head is shaped a little bit like a hammer. So we've got a male and a female living here. Now they used to be quite shy, but they're getting a lot braver. They've been coming onto the bridge now, so it's great that you can have a good look at them. Now they are the architects of the animal kingdom. They're incredibly good at building nests. So as you exit this way, if you look up into the trees, you'll see that they've started building a brand new nest. And they can build these nests with up to 10,000 sticks. They can be about 1.5 meters in length, and they can support the weight of a fully grown human adult. So very impressive indeed. They'll often also build different layers in their houses, different stories, and other animals will move in, other birds, and even sometimes big cats because they're so strong. And it's really useful because if one of the other animals sees danger and starts to run away, it can be a good alarm system for our lovely hammercocks. And they are a favourite of our keepers here at the zoo. They pick up all the twigs that are falling down, and even they like to decorate their nests as well with anything shiny. So they do pick up things that are around our walkway, keeping it nice and clean. Lovely. So we've got our wonderful ducks here as well at the moment. The ones that you can see are the white-faced whistling ducks. You might have been able to hear those as well when you came into the bird safari. Now, quite often when we think about ducks, we think about going down and feeding them bread. However, bread is not particularly good for ducks. It makes them very full, but doesn't give them any nutrients that they actually need. So we recommend instead feeding them something like we've got here today, a lovely box of lettuce that gives them all of the nutrients that they actually do need in their diet, and it's much better for them. So by all means, go down the river, feed the ducks, and give them something a little bit more healthy. Now Hayley is now going to try and get down a beautiful bird. Hopefully we'll be able to see it fly. We're very, very lucky we can find it at the moment. So we're looking out for a blue-bellied roller. There it goes, as you can see, a lovely blue colour, very agile at flying. So it's called blue belly, and that colouring roller because of the roll pattern it makes as it flies as part of the courtship ritual. Now they're extremely agile, as you can see. Hayley's throwing food up into the air and they are catching that out of the sky. Now they live in areas of Senegal and Congo where there are a lot of grass fires. Now when these grass fires occur, lots of animals are running away, including bugs jumping out of the grass. However, the blue-belly roller will be seen flying towards the flames. That's because they know that bugs jumping out of the grass are an extremely easy way to come across food. And they are so agile, they're so good at flying, that they can catch these bugs out of the air without any risk of themselves being damaged by that fire. So they are extremely good at flying. So I hope you've enjoyed meeting some of the birds that we've got here in our walkthrough. If you do have any further questions, do feel free to pop over and ask. Your next few live talks will be over at Penguin Beach at 11:30 for our Penguin Beach dress up. Otherwise, I hope you'll have a wonderful talk so far. Enjoy the rest of your day here at the zoo. Thank you.